his aunt and uncle. So he's he's with his relative, and he's not feeling lonely. So he
Okay,
feel yeah.
keep on. So he hasn't been lonely. All right, that's okay.
Yeah.
Since his parents died, give me something more simple past. So, um, he kept or he went to school, or he was able to go to school, or he stayed in the same house. He didn't have to move to a new house because his aunt lived with his parent. You know, give me something like, what did he do or he
Okay.
didn't do?
So he lived with his aunt and uncle, and they provided for him. Can I say like that?
There you go. There you
Yeah.
go. That's it.
And
It's as simple as that.
yeah.
So in the future,
And in the future, I think that people should. Do I say about myself?
first is so. What did you learn? You learned that it's good to have extended family. So in the future, I will what?
Okay. In the future, I would try to have a extended family so that I can have the traditions, and I could have like a lot of members in my family, and to
Mm-hmm.
stay close with them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, to create a bond with everyone. I feel like that is
Just
nice.
kidding. Nice. Good.
Yeah.
Now you can say people should.
Can I not?
And all, no, you got to tell us what people should do, and
Okay.
use an idiom when you do it. 'Cause I didn't hear your cup of tea yet.
Um, I think that people should extend their family because the childrens and the people in the family can feel like they're being loved more. It's just be happier, just connecting with everyone in the family. Yeah, I don't have much to say.
That's okay. Actually,
Yeah.
so when we do what people should do, here's the guide. People should have an extended family. If they do, something good happens. However, if they don't, something bad happens. That's what the people should. That's the real goal. People should blah blah blah. And if they do this, then good consequences will happen. However, right? So we're making some complex sentences. However, if they don't do this, some negative things will happen. And it shows the examiner that you have good fluency and lexical resource, good fluency and coherence. You can think about two different ideas at the same time.
Okay.
But yeah, so it's okay. You're on the right track. Um, yeah, you just need stronger opinions, maybe. Or,
Okay.
but that's okay. You don't have any problems right now.
Thank you.
All right. Except I didn't hear any idioms, so make sure you use an idiom next time.
Okay.
In,
Yeah.
you ready?
Uh, yeah. So I think that can you hear me?
I can
Hello,
hear you.
hello. Yeah. So I think that living in an extended family is good for a child because
Hmm.
they always have someone to take care of them when their parents is away from work, and
Hmm.
they can learn different kind of skills from their grandparents or their uncle and their aunt. Like when I was a child, I learned a lot of kind of skills, especially cooking skill from my grandmother. I must say that she's a good cook, and I really enjoy the dishes that she made. Even though they was like they were such simple dishes, they're not kind of fancy food, but I really enjoy eating them. Sorry, I really enjoy eating them. Yeah.